Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, my lovely Sagittarius. So, this is your daily love tarot reading, guys. Let's see what is coming up. I'll be picking a few cards from this deck, guys, for your daily energies and few cards for what your person feels about this connection and what they feel about you. So, let's start the reading. Oops. Sagittarius, with these cards, maybe for some of you all, you are daydreaming about your person or about the things you want to do in life, guys. Something nice, maybe a vacation, um, maybe a party with friends, meeting family and friends, maybe something of that sort, guys. So, or you may be dreaming about your person, what you want to do with them. Maybe you're in a long distance relationship, guys. So that may be the energy, guys, or some kind of what to say routines you're into, something you had been doing continuously and that may be coming to an end, maybe some kind of sickness or some kind of negative energies, okay, some kind of harmful behavior, maybe someone's behavior towards you or something of that sort. Maybe you are into some kind of routines or some kind of sports practice, training, dancing, something of that sort. So that may be coming to an end, or you may be dreaming about that, dreaming about to overcome that. So that may be the energy here, guys. And you are getting what to say that inspiration and guidance in your heart, guys, regarding your situation and regarding the choices you have to make in your life to reach your goals, guys. So you are feeling inspired to what to say um, get that amazing things you dream of. Okay, you are able to see the path to reach your goals, guys. The path that helps you to attain whatever you want to attain in life. So uh, that may be the energy here, and some of you all are really aspiring very high for what you need to achieve in your profession or in your personal life, something of that sort, guys. And some of you all may be what to say waiting to meet with friends. You just want to meet them, have a good time with them, or you are already going for a what to say party or meeting with friends or some kind of communal activities. So something of that sort, guys. And you are feeling really what to say content and happy how things are going in your life. Some kind of what to say you're taking up some kind of heavy responsibilities in your life, guys. Maybe you're stepping into a commitment in your relationship. You are getting committed. You want to propose or your person wants to propose to you, something of that sort, or you're dreaming about it, you're dreaming about your proposal, something of that sort, guys. And you are feeling that energy of completion in your heart and you're really happy about it. You are feeling that you are fulfilling your dreams, guys, and you're really happy about it. So That is the way you feel today's Sagittarius. Let me pick few cards for what your person feels about this relationship, guys. So let us see what they feel about this connection and about you. Okay. Sagittarius. Sagittarius, with these cards, I feel your person feels you're very devoted to them, and you are there for them. They can rely on you. Okay, so and they feel very secure and stable in this relationship, guys. They are very happy to be in this relationship with you, and they. For some of you all, this may be some kind of a karmic cycle, guys, and this person is there because they are destined to be there in this connection with you at this time of your life, guys. Maybe that may be the reason that they are there with you right now. So and they feel the great friendship and loyalty with you guys. So maybe they feel that they need to give you that loyalty and devotion, or you may feel you need to give in that loyalty or devotion to this bond to strengthen this bond, guys. So that is the way you feel, and you are enjoying each other's company, and you love this person, and this person is also very much devoted to you, and you feel you can rely on them for support, guys. You feel they will support you no matter what. So that is the kind of understanding you have and companionship you have in this relationship, guys. And something is ending, guys. Maybe some kind of negative energy that was there before, that is coming to an end. Some kind of misunderstanding maybe, or you are what to say, climbing very high in your professional life maybe, and that may be the reason that few people find you, what to say, unreachable. So some kind of you are facing some kind of isolation, you are isolating yourself. That may be some regarding your work, guys, or in your relationship. You are with this person, you're paying them attention, and you feel really happy, and you are isolating yourself from your friends and family. So that may be the energy here, guys. Or you are structuring your life, you are clearly drawing the boundaries. Okay, so you are having some time for yourself. That may also be the energy here, Sagittarius. So let us see what the angels are guiding us to do today, guys. What is the angels guidance in our situation today, Sagittarius? So I'll be picking one card, guys, from this deck. Cherish innocence. Sagittarius, sometimes we need to be with innocence like a child, and we need to see life with that joy and wonder in our eyes, without our past experiences or our prejudices clouding our mind and thoughts, and without our burdens of our heart. When we do that, when we see a situation for as it is, as the truth, okay, without our imagination or preconceived notions, clouding it. We just see the truth and magic in everything around us, guys, and we feel less fear and more wonder in day to day life, and we just enjoy how universe unfolds our life every day, guys. So we need to be what to say, more playful, just like a child. Be what to say, experience everything for the first time. Have that feeling that you're experiencing everything for the first time without feeling the pressures of our day to day burdens. When we do that, we just enjoy our life, guys. So, that is what the angels are telling us to do today. So, that is the reading for you all, Sagittarius. Thanks for watching, guys. I'll see you all tomorrow with another reading. Bye, Sagittarius.